Worked out pretty good. Boom, kaboom, 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 kaboom. And you know what we didn't do? We didn't check to see how much that's going to come out. I'll turn the drip irrigation on, and I'll show you how much water comes out of there. Not very much. Okay, I just turned the bubblers on. Okay. And oh, that's right, I've got to change that. Thanks for reminding me. I'm going to take that one off and put a ½ gallon per hour one on there. And let's just see what the dealio is. It's dripping. See there? That's all that's needed. I just kind of push that in there like that. That's all that's needed. And it'll be easy enough to periodically dump this, or I just take that pipe out of there and kind of fish it back down in there, lift that out like you saw me, and dump that water out. She's going to be surprised there was water in there. But that's the way it goes. Okay, so that's my project. And I'm going to take that bubbler off and put a ½ bubbler in, and that will be it. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. You see, my afternoon, evening is not over. I still was going to dig out along here, along there, redo this pipe, stick it down in there, and redirect it up in there. That's another thing that I'm going to do, and I'm not even sure. See this pipe here? Oh, you know what that is? Oh, you know, I thought this was because the sun got on it. You know what that is? Last time my mother had her house painted on the outside, I got some paint on this. That's what that is. I don't like that. I'm going to have to replace that little pipe piece, and I may end up taking it all the way to there. I'll probably take it all the way to there. Reuse the coupling, clean that out, put a new elbow there, come up, and I may end up coming all the way up to this elbow, taking this pipe off to there. I could take it off to here and put a coupling on there, but see, she's got paint on this all the way down, so I'll fix that one too and get that one all looking nice and pretty. Okay, I've got the water shut back off. I'm going to put this bubbler on, and this one hasn't been on there that long. A couple months ago I put that on, so I was going to show you a trick. Well, it's not really a trick, but if you can't pull this end off, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to or not. See, it's really difficult to do that. And I've got plenty of length. Not a whole lot, but see, you might have a hard time getting that off. Let me try my putty knife in here. Oh, look at that. I got some of it. Because it's been on there just a little bit, okay? Yay. I think I can get it now. Come on. Oh. It has to go over a hook. Well, kinda. So if you can't get it, you're gonna have to allow enough room to cut this off without damaging that end, and I can kind of feel for it right in there. I really didn't want to cut that off. See, it shortens my pipe a little bit, but like I said, I got enough room. And so now to get it off of this, lots of times it's hard to still twist it off. So I take it on the side, and just don't squeeze in the middle, just off to the edge, and try to rip it. Smash it off the side, okay? Like that. And then usually you can get that, and it will rip the edge off like that, see? Then you can pull that off. See, if I would get it too close, I could cut that tip off. Now I can use this for another time, okay? So just be careful with your bubblers. And now I can put my little half-gallon per hour bubbler on there. And see, I still got plenty of room for it to go right down in the middle. And it just sits there like that. Okay? There she be.